Hey there, viewers! Today we're going to dive into the truth about nightshades. Make sure to watch until the end to learn about delicious alternatives to nightshades. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of nightshades, an intriguing group of plants that play a significant role in our diets. But what exactly are nightshades? Simply put, they are a family of vegetables and fruits that belong to the Solanaceae family. Common examples include tomatoes, eggplants, bell peppers, and potatoes. These vibrant foods are staples in many cuisines around the globe, adding flavor, color, and nutrition to our meals. Now, you might be wondering why nightshades are worth discussing. Well, understanding their impact on our health is crucial, especially when it comes to gut health and overall well-being. For some individuals, nightshades can trigger sensitivities or inflammatory responses, leading to discomfort or digestive issues. However, for many, they are a rich source of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, contributing positively to our diets. In this video, we'll explore the nutritional benefits of nightshades, how they can fit into a balanced diet, and the potential concerns surrounding them. Whether you're a nightshade lover or someone curious about their effects on your health, this discussion is for you. So grab a snack and let's unravel the mysteries of nightshades together, ensuring you have all the information you need to make informed dietary choices. What are nightshades? A deep dive into their botanical classification and nutritional benefits. Nightshades are a fascinating group of plants that belong to the Solanaceae family, which encompasses over 2,000 species. Botanically, this family includes a variety of flowering plants, many of which produce edible fruits and vegetables. While some nightshades are well-known staples in our kitchens, others may surprise you. Common nightshade foods include tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, bell peppers, and even goji berries. Each of these foods brings unique flavors and textures to our meals, making them popular choices in various cuisines worldwide. But what makes nightshades particularly interesting is their nutritional profiles. For instance, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health and reduced cancer risk. Potatoes provide a good source of potassium and vitamin C, while eggplants are packed with fiber and antioxidants. Bell peppers, especially the red variety, are loaded with vitamins A and C, promoting immune function and skin health. Goji berries, often hailed as a superfood, are known for their high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can support overall wellness. While nightshades offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to note that some individuals may experience sensitivities to them. Understanding their nutritional value and potential effects can help you make informed choices about including these vibrant foods in your diet. So, let's explore how nightshades can enhance your meals and contribute to your health. The controversy surrounding nightshades, should they be avoided? The debate over whether nightshades should be included in our diets is a hot topic among nutritionists, health experts, and food enthusiasts alike. On one side of the argument, proponents of nightshades highlight their nutritional benefits. Foods like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, contributing to overall health and well-being. Nutritionists often emphasize that for most people, these foods can be part of a balanced diet, offering essential nutrients that support heart health, immune function, and digestive health. However, there's a contrasting perspective that suggests caution. Some health experts argue that nightshades contain alkaloids, compounds that may cause inflammation or digestive issues in sensitive individuals. This has led to recommendations for those with autoimmune conditions or chronic pain to consider eliminating nightshades from their diets. Anecdotal evidence from individuals who avoid nightshades often supports this viewpoint. Many report experiencing reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and relief from symptoms like joint pain after cutting out these foods. These personal stories can be compelling, leading some to believe that nightshades are best avoided altogether. Ultimately, the decision to include or exclude nightshades from your diet should be based on individual experiences and health needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance, helping you navigate this complex and often controversial topic. Whether you're a nightshade lover or a cautious consumer, understanding both sides of the debate is essential for making informed dietary choices. Potential health impacts of nightshades: gut health and inflammation. When it comes to understanding the potential health impacts of nightshades, it's essential to examine the compounds they contain, particularly alkaloids. Alkaloids are naturally occurring chemicals found in nightshade plants, such as solanine in potatoes and tomatine in tomatoes. While these compounds can have protective effects for the plants, they may also contribute to digestive discomfort and inflammation in sensitive individuals. Research has suggested a link between nightshades and inflammatory conditions. Some studies indicate that alkaloids can interfere with the body's ability to absorb certain nutrients, potentially leading to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and even diarrhea. For those with autoimmune diseases or chronic inflammatory conditions, consuming nightshades may exacerbate symptoms, prompting some to eliminate them from their diets entirely. However, it's important to note that not everyone experiences adverse effects from nightshades. Many people consume these foods without any issues, benefiting from their rich nutritional profiles. For instance, tomatoes are known for their high levels of lycopene, an antioxidant that may actually help reduce inflammation in the body. Research findings on nightshades and digestive health are still evolving. While some studies highlight potential negative impacts, others emphasize the health benefits of these foods when consumed in moderation. Ultimately, understanding how nightshades affect your body is crucial. If you suspect they may be contributing to gut issues or inflammation, consider consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Balancing the benefits and potential drawbacks can help you make informed dietary choices. Who should avoid nightshades? Identifying individuals who may benefit from elimination. While nightshades are nutritious for many, certain individuals may find that avoiding them leads to improved health outcomes. Conditions such as arthritis and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, are often cited as examples where nightshades may exacerbate symptoms. For those with arthritis, the alkaloids found in nightshades can potentially trigger inflammation, leading to increased joint pain and discomfort. Similarly, individuals with IBS may experience digestive distress, such as bloating and gas, after consuming nightshade foods like tomatoes and eggplants. Determining personal tolerance to nightshades can be a nuanced process. A good starting point is to keep a food diary, noting any symptoms that arise after consuming nightshade-containing foods. This can help identify patterns and pinpoint specific triggers. Some people may choose to eliminate nightshades from their diet for a few weeks and then gradually reintroduce them, monitoring their body's response. This elimination reintroduction method can provide valuable insights into individual tolerance levels. However, it's crucial to approach this process thoughtfully. Consulting with healthcare professionals, such as a registered dietitian or a physician, can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific health needs. They can help you navigate dietary changes safely and effectively, ensuring you maintain a balanced and nutritious diet while addressing any concerns related to nightshades. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so understanding your body's unique responses is key to making informed dietary choices. Make sure to watch until the end to learn about delicious alternatives to nightshades. Nightshades are a family of plants known as Solanaceae, which includes a variety of commonly consumed vegetables and fruits such as tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, and bell peppers. These foods are nutrient-dense and offer a range of health benefits, highlighting the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in nightshade's tomatoes, rich in vitamins C and K, potassium, folate, and the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Potatoes provide vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. They also contain antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. Eggplants contain fiber, vitamins B1 and B6, and potassium. They are also high in antioxidants, particularly niacin, which protects cells from damage. Bell peppers, excellent sources of vitamins A and C, potassium, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers are particularly high in beta-carotene and other antioxidants. Incorporating nightshades into your diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. Their rich nutrient profile supports various bodily functions. Immune support. The high vitamin C content in many nightshades strengthens the immune system. Heart health. Potassium-rich nightshades like tomatoes and potatoes help regulate blood pressure. Digestive health. The fiber in nightshades aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Eye health. Beta-carotene in bell peppers and tomatoes converts to vitamin A, essential for good vision. Examples of healthy recipes. Featuring nightshades. Tomato basil soup, a classic soup made with ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, and onions, simmered to perfection and blended for a creamy texture. Roasted eggplant salad, a Mediterranean-inspired dish with roasted eggplant, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and a tangy lemon olive oil dressing. Stuffed bell peppers filled with a mix of quinoa, black beans, corn, and spices, baked until tender. Potato and leek soup, a comforting soup made with potatoes, leeks, garlic, and vegetable broth, blended for a smooth consistency. How to determine your sensitivity. While many people can enjoy nightshades without issues, some individuals may experience adverse reactions. Sensitivity to nightshades can manifest as digestive discomfort, joint pain, or skin issues. Tips for conducting an elimination diet. Identify suspected foods. Make a list of all nightshade foods such as tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, and peppers. Eliminate. Remove all nightshades from your diet for a period of 4 to 6 weeks. This allows time for potential symptoms to subside. Monitor symptoms. Keep a detailed food diary to track any changes in symptoms during the elimination phase. Importance of consulting with healthcare professionals. Before starting an elimination diet, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance, ensure you maintain a balanced diet, and monitor for any nutritional deficiencies. Professional advice can also help determine if your symptoms are indeed related to nightshade consumption or other underlying issues. Suggested timeline for reintroducing nightshades. Reintroduction phase. After the elimination period, reintroduce nightshades one at a time with a gap of 3 to 5 days between each food. This helps identify which specific nightshade, if any, triggers symptoms. Start small. Begin with a small portion of one nightshade and gradually increase the amount over several days while monitoring for symptoms. Document reactions. Continue to keep a food diary, noting any reactions or symptoms that occur after reintroducing each nightshade. Long-term management. Based on your findings, you can decide which nightshades to limit or avoid entirely. This personalized approach helps maintain dietary variety while managing sensitivity. In conclusion, nightshades are nutritious foods that can be part of a balanced diet for most people. However, if you suspect you have a sensitivity, conducting an elimination diet under professional guidance can help determine your tolerance and guide dietary choices for optimal health. Alternatives to nightshades, delicious substitutes for your diet. If you're looking to reduce or eliminate nightshades from your diet, there are plenty of tasty alternatives that can easily replace these foods while still providing essential nutrients. For instance, if you're missing tomatoes, consider using roasted red peppers or pumpkin puree. Both options add a rich flavor and can be used in sauces, soups, or stews. When it comes to potatoes, sweet potatoes or cauliflower can be excellent substitutes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins A and C, while cauliflower can be mashed or riced for a low-carb alternative. For those who enjoy bell peppers, try using zucchini or carrots instead. These vegetables can add crunch and sweetness to salads, stir-fries, or roasted dishes. Incorporating these substitutes into your meals is simple. You can create a hearty vegetable stir-fry using zucchini, carrots, and broccoli, or whip up a creamy sweet potato mash as a side dish. Roasted red peppers can be blended into a flavorful dip or spread, adding a vibrant touch to sandwiches and wraps. The nutritional benefits of these alternatives are significant. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and antioxidants, while cauliflower is low in calories and high in vitamins K and C. By exploring these substitutes, you can maintain a diverse and nutritious diet without the potential drawbacks of nightshades. So, get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the delicious flavors these alternatives have to offer. After discovering that nightshades like tomatoes, bell peppers, and eggplants were causing digestive discomfort and inflammation, I sought out alternatives. Replacing tomatoes with roasted red bell peppers provided a similar texture and sweetness without adverse effects. Substituting white potatoes with sweet potatoes and cauliflower introduced more vitamins and fiber, which supported my gut health. I also started using zucchini noodles, zoodles, instead of eggplants, which expanded my culinary options and added variety to my meals. Additionally, incorporating spices like turmeric and ginger instead of paprika and cayenne pepper added new flavors and anti-inflammatory benefits to my cooking. These changes significantly improved my digestion and overall gut health. Exploring these substitutes not only alleviated my discomfort, but also introduced me to delicious new foods that I now enjoy regularly, helping me maintain optimal gut health. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health, wellness, and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next one.